I've asked people about your genius, whatever we describe it.
No, I'm a bright guy who's terribly interested in what he does. So I've spent a lifetime doing it, and I've surrounded myself with people that bring out the best in me. And you don't need to be a genius in what I do. That's the good thing about it. If I went into physics or a whole lot of other subjects, I'd be an also-ran. But I am in a game that you don't need. You probably need 120 points of IQ, but 170 doesn't do any better than 120. It may do worse, probably do worse, but you don't really need brains.
What do you need?
You need the right orientation. 90% of the people, I'm pulling the figure out of the air, but 90% of the people that buy stocks don't think of them the right way. They think about something that they hope goes up next week. And they think about the market as something they hope goes up. And if it's down, they feel worse. I feel better.
And you think about?
Pardon?
And what do you think about?
I think about what the company's going to be worth 10 or 20 years from now. And I hope it goes down when I buy it, because I'll buy more.
I want to know how Warren has changed from decade to decade to decade. Do you have a sense of that?
I've gotten dumber, but I've gotten wiser.
But okay, that's a nice phrase. But what does it mean?
It means that I can't add a group of numbers remotely as fast as I used to be able to. I can't remember sometimes when I walk upstairs while I'm walking up the stairs, I'm thinking about something else, so by the time I get to the top of the stairs, I don't remember why the hell I walked upstairs. It means I forget names so easily. It means that I can't read as fast as I used to read. I am a decaying machine that still feels wonderful. But I can't hear as well, I can't see as well, my balance is as good, but it doesn't interfere with my happiness, my work, anything.
Especially your work. Well, I mean, clearly your happiness, but it doesn't, you're saying,
notwithstanding, it doesn't interfere with anything.
That ages.
I can get on a plane, go anyplace. I can do anything as long as you don't ask me to dance. Or juggle, or even remember, who did I meet yesterday?
But in terms of doing the job that you do, allocating capital,
I can actually do that as well as ever.
As ever.
Yeah, that sounds obvious.
But better than that, do you do it today better than you did it 20 years ago?
Yeah, I've got a different set of opportunities.